Hi Pihu.
Hi,
What are your opinions on marriage?
I don't like marriage.
Why?
I never want to marry and I don't want in front of me any girl marriage.
Why?
After marriage we get so much things that of grandparents take care of the other someone boys grandparents. Then afterwards children and the trouble are so much irritating guys. You know that, na?
Yeah, I
And then
know.
the relative.
But then you have relatives even if you don't get married, no?
Yeah, but they always give that right. When will you do this? When will you that?
But how is that related to marrying?
After marriage, I'm not over here like you in that boy's family.
Oh, okay. So, so no, elaborate more on that. What do you mean by the boys' family? So you have problem with the boys' family?
No,
Then?
as you have seen crime patrols.
Yes.
What happened in that?
I don't know which episode you're talking about.
Any episode, whatever you have seen.
Crimes happen?
Which crime?
Uh,
Mostly which crime happened?
I have not seen so many episodes. Can you just tell me?
How many episodes you have seen? Total 1, 2, 3, 4.
One, yeah, two.
1, 2, na? So what in that 2 episodes? What at the most? What
Kidnapping?
kidnapping? Of what? Children's or whom?
Children?
So this is the different tension.
That your child will get kidnapped.
We have then the means that husband don't have any problem. He always this is your problem. You will take care of children. If of like if she's wearing short dresses, it's your problem. If I'll say she's going somewhere out at night, and I'll just go and say to him, he'll say it's your problem. So means everything at a turns and comes at me or the someone else girls. So that was the reason.
So, but that your father can also do, na?
Yeah.
So, you're
But
not.
my father is not like this.
Okay. So, basically, don't want to get married because of the restrictions that the guy will put on you. But what if the guy is nice? He doesn't say it is your problem. He says this is our problem, or he says that this we can sort this out. If the guy is nice, then what?
But then also I don't want.
Why?
And I don't want.
What if the guy is nice?
Nice guy and bad guy, it's nothing. But, if even our life is there, after marriage, we don't get our life. We have to only always take care of others' life. Nada. If we are dead, no one will cry. Only our parents will cry. And if anyone else die, we have to cry. That's not right.
Okay, so basically, you have a problem with the system of marriage and not marriage. So, if you get a guy who's very nice, who understands all of these things, and he will also cry if you die and not just your parents, then you don't have a problem. Then you will end up marrying. But why? If I'm telling you the guy is very nice, he does everything that you're talking about right now, so what is the problem?
But about my life.
But he supports your life.
I don't want to waste my life.
He will not waste your life. He will make it better.
How can you surely say that I'll get that way?
Just in
Okay.
case, I'm just assuming. If you get, then what?
Then what? But then also I'll not marry. It's all that I'll never marry.
But if
Sorry.
you get the everything, like whatever you're talking, if you get all of those things, then why are you not marrying?
Parents?
So you can stay with your parents also.
My parents.
Yeah.
How?
You can tell the guy.
And the guy will easily that yes, of course, yes.
Okay, so you want to stay with your parents, that is why you don't want to get married.
Yeah.
So you can also take a house next to your parents' house also, no?
For that I need money and if the boy does not allow me to marry.
Why will he not allow? If he will allow, then are you fine with it?
But even then I have to stay first over there only.
In your house only you want to stay. And if the guy says, okay, I will come and stay with you in your house, then what?
Then what? Then what or what? Nothing.
Then you will marry him?
No.
Then also you will not marry. Okay,
If anything he will do, then also I'll not marry.
so you don't want to get married only. Okay. Signing off.
Huh?
Signing off.
Signing off.
Should I close this now?
What?
The video.
Oh, you're playing the video. Oh, sorry.
Like you did not know.
Oh,
Say bye.
bye.
Say bye, and I will show you this video when you turn 15 years old, and then we will see 15 or 20, whatever. And then we will see what are your opinions, okay? Say bye to your 15-year-old self
Bye.
and 20-year-old self.
Bye.
Say bye, 20-year-old Pihu.
Bye, 20-year-old Piyu.